Hello and welcome back to my channel guys. You are watching excelexperthelp.com. Today we are going to see the next video of our Excel Basic Learning series. This is a follow-up video. If you haven't watched our first video of Excel Basic Learning series, then please do watch those videos so you can get connected to this one. Before proceeding ahead, please do watch our other video series where we have explained all Excel tips and tricks in depth. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button to get our latest video notification on time. So let's begin guys. In this video, we are going to see some more basic features of Excel. Now, lot of time guys, we need to copy paste our data into some different formats. So what are those formats while pasting the data? Let's see in Excel. So here we have copied this Excel data which has nothing but a simple some tabular form, some data and then some formulas are also mentioned in the. Let's try to copy paste this table into different forms. So select the table. Either you can right click on the table and copy from here, or you can just simply press Ctrl C. Select any cell from where your data needs to copy or pasted and press Ctrl V. And here guys, your data will be pasted. If you see, the pasted data has not followed the exact formatting of the cells and columns. Here column widths were smaller than the data size, so Excel has not adjusted the column height. It's not a big deal guys, we can just double click and adjust the column width. But we have different methods, or you can say options available to paste this data. Let's undo. Here we are going to copy this data again, and from here we are going to copy it, and now I want to paste it from this cell again. Remember, either you can directly right click and here number of paste options are available. Otherwise, here in the home tab you have a other paste option with the paste special option also. So here I will right click and go to the paste option. Now you can see this is our regular method of pasting the data, where cell width and height will not be taken care by Excel. Next, I can only paste the data of the cell and not the formatting. Like if this table has some formatting, it will not be followed with the data pasting. In the next option, which is formulas pasting is nothing but it only pastes the data and formula from the previous table, and it will not follow the formatting. The next option is transpose. Transpose is a very good option. It actually transposes your vertical data into horizontal position. Let's paste it and see what it does. So here your department headers are in horizontal position. Here it has become in vertical, and all your departments here in vertical position has become here in horizontal position. So actually the entire table has transposed into the horizontal position. So this is really a good option guys. Next option is formatting. Formatting is nothing but it will only follow the formatting and not data. The previous table format will be copy pasted into this table and not data. So this is a formatting. Next option, pasting a link. If you copy any data, like this data I had copied here, and while pasting it, I will paste a link. So if I change some link, like here I have changed a revenue by 445 and enter. You can see here the data has changed because this is connected to this revenue, and here this data also changed because the links has been copied from this table, or you can say this cells to this cells. So this is a copying links. We will see some more option which is not available in this list, which are available in home tab and paste button. Here I can just copy with the border, keep source column and width. Like if the entire data I like to copy, select the entire table, copy, and where if you remember guys, while pasting with the conventional method, the table formatting is not followed, but if I paste this same format by this button, like keep source column and width, the column and width will be obeyed like the previous table. Our next data pasting method is just go to the paste, and here you can paste with the no borders. No border means if this data has a table around it, that table will not follow while pasting the data here. Our next data paste option is go to the paste, and here you will see picture. So this entire table will paste as a picture and we can treat that data as a picture only. Then next option we can see, go to the paste and here the link picture. So this picture is linked to this data, and wherever if this data has changed, that picture should be get updated. So this picture is linked to the data of this table. So this is also a good option if you are pasting this data into the PPT format for presentation purpose. You can update the Excel and this data will get updated automatically. Our next option is paste special. So here in this table I have mentioned a profit percentage. So this revenue, I always have a profit percentage or predicted profit percentage, you can say, is 12.5%. So what I will do, I will copy this data, click on the first cell, right click, go to paste special and I will click on paste special. Here in the paste special guys, paste all data and operations. What operation you like to do? You like to add those values into this one, subtract them, multiply them or divide them. So here I will multiply to know the exact value or figure of profit in dollars. So I will multiply and click OK. So here you will find that the 12.5% of all this value is calculated here. Just let this figure makes decimal 0 or 1. Okay. So now this data, profit data, is matching with the previous one. This is a paste special guys. So like this way you can try other options, like here I want to subtract this profit values from the revenue to come to know what is the remaining figure I have in hand to spend on the project. So copy this data from here, right click on this cell, right click, go to paste special and click on subtract operation and click OK. So this is the remaining revenue which you can utilize for the entire project to work with the overheads. Now we can see how we can utilize a combination paste. Combination paste is nothing but I have copied this data and pasted here with the links. Now you can see guys, there is no formatting I have pasted, but I wanted to have the format also. So just again go to the same area or same cell, paste and paste formatting. Here the formatting also get pasted. So this way guys you can utilize a combination of pasting also. Now we will see how to paste the data in multiple sheets at the same time. Just select the table, press Ctrl C, go to the sheets where you like to paste the data. Select the number of sheets by pressing a shift button and go to the desired cell and paste the data. Now check if all the sheets have the same data, like sheet 2 has the same data, sheet 3 and sheet 4 also. So this way guys you can paste the data in multiple sheets. So this way guys our copy paste functions work in the Excel, which is really helpful pasting a data in different formats. Now the next point we are going to see flash fill options. So how to use the flash fill options, like here I have given an agent name, their surname, department, BU code and revenue I have given in this table. So in this table or in this cell I like to get the name and surname together. So here I will give a first name together, hit the enter button and press Ctrl E. By pressing a Ctrl E, this flash fill window will open and you can undo the flash fill, accept suggestion which flash fill has given you, or select all 9 cells which you have changed or which you have added in this one. Let's try something different. Here I will put a department name, space, BU code and hit the enter button. Then press Ctrl E and you will see Excel itself understand or flash fill itself understand that what I like to have the combination in between 2 cells from this table. So exact combination it suggests us. We can have the multiple combinations, like in this cell I will have design, BU code and the turnover also, and hit the enter button, Ctrl E, and it will give the same combination for other cells in the remaining cells. Let's try some more different combination, like I like to have first letter of the name and then surname. Hit the enter button, Ctrl E, and the same way guys you can see flash fill pulls the first letter from this cell, or you can say from the name, and give a surname. So this way flash fill works guys. Remember, flash fill do not work if we leave the column space in between. Like if I leave this column, click on here and I will type to I will try to connect the text. Let me correct the surname. Hit the enter button, Control E, and it will give you an error that we looked at all the data next to your selection and did not see a pattern to fill in the value for you. So remember guys, flash fill will not work if you leave the space in between the table and the data you are trying to connect with. Now let's see, add the email addresses. In my company, I have always a first letter of the name and the full surname @ say excelexpert@.com and hit the enter button, press Ctrl E, and you can see guys, let's adjust the width of column. You will see guys, flash fill automatically pulls the agent name, first letter from agent name and surname, and format the remaining email IDs. Another way to use a flash fill, like we have a mobile number of all our agents here. It is quite difficult to read them. Just click on the next cell and I will put them in the desired format. Say this is my desired format. We need to be take care that we have to put the exact right number which is in the list. So this is my readable format. I will click on the cell and press Ctrl E, and you will find out guys, all the numbers are now in readable format, has automatically been converted. So this is the use of flash fill guys. Please practice this. Remember, Ctrl E is a shortcut key for flash fill options, and you can try the different combinations with your data. Let's move on to the next topic, which is links. Now we will see how to use a hyperlink. Hyperlink is nothing but you can give a reference or link to any file, text, image inside the Excel workbook from outer side, like from your computer or from online web. So let's see how to connect hyperlink. To connect the hyperlink, the very easy shortcut is Ctrl K. While pressing Ctrl K, you can insert a hyperlink by existing file, place in this device, create notes or email address also. So let's see, from a PC, I am copying a hyperlink of this thumbnail from my PC. Here I have copied a path of the file. I will go to link, press Ctrl K, and then I will put the link here in this address bar and click OK. You can see the text color has changed and given underline. Now when you will drag your mouse on the text, it will change its shape and it will show that it's a hyperlink. If you click on this file or on this link, the thumbnail is already open. So this way guys, you can hyperlink any file in the Excel workbook. Let's see the different methods of hyperlink. If I insert a shape here, like say if I insert this shape here, and to this shape I will put a link. So in the link, insert a link, and here I will put the same address and click OK. So this image has been linked to the hyperlink address. So click on the image and you will see the same file will get open. To delete such image, right click on it directly and remove link and then delete the image. So this way you can delete image also. Now we will see what are the other options in hyperlink. Just press Ctrl K. Here till time we have seen existing file. So whatever the existing file in this PC, you can connect from this address. Now place in this workbook, that also you can hyperlink. Like for this text, Excel Basic Tutorial 1, I like to link this sheet. Whenever I will click on this text, I should open this sheet. So how to do that? Select the cell, press Ctrl K, go on the place in this sheet, and you will see the option like cell reference. In the cell reference, you have a level 1, 2 and 3 sheets which is available here already. Down below are displaying in the cell reference. Click on the level 1 sheet, click OK. So you can see if I click on this link now, or you can say text now, it will open the first file, or you can say beginner level first file. Click on the file and here the beginner level 1 sheet is open. So this way you can interlink your own sheet and its tabs together. While putting a hyperlink, you can also define which cell you like to be get selected while opening the file. Like in the Excel Basic Tutorial 2, this is the tab. I like to highlight the text, or you can say here I like to highlight B2 cell number. So go to the beginner's level 3 file, go to the text, press Ctrl K, and here give a reference to to beginners level 2 file, and here you can give a B2 cell reference and click OK. So whenever I will click on this link, it will directly my cell, or you can say the selected cell, will be B2 always. So this way you can define the cell also while giving a hyperlink. Now another way to jump to the spot directly while clicking on the sheet, like this is a beginner level C2. For this table I will give a name, revenue, hit the enter button. So this table name is revenue now, you can see here. Go to beginners level 3, go to the text tutorial, press Ctrl K, and now you can see define names here. Define names, you can click on revenue. Instead of clicking on beginners level 2 sheet, I am defining, or I am using a defined name. Click OK. Now here it is hyperlinked. So click on this link and here you will go to the table directly. So within the cell, within these worksheets or within the tabs, you can hyperlink the data together, like a particular cell you can hyperlink, particular table name you can hyperlink, or particular file name also you can hyperlink within the computer, within the worksheet also. Now whenever I go to the next link, like this is my main file, beginners sheet, and I need to go back always to the same file. What I can do, like while clicking on like this basic tutorial 2, I went to this one, and I need to come back to the main file or home file. I need to click on the exact tab. So better than that, I will click here a home button, and I will press Ctrl K and give a hyperlink of beginners level 3 and click OK. So whenever I have finished work in this file, I will just click home and I will go to the main file where I have started from. And remember, if you like to copy the same hyperlink to the other sheet, click on the cell, Ctrl C, go to the tab, go to the workbook, wherever you like to copy it, select the cell and just press Ctrl V. So here the hyperlink is already connected. Whenever I click it, I should come back to the home page or home workbook. Now the time for bonus tip, guys. What is the bonus tip is how to connect two texts together. So just click on any cell where you like to have that data, give a equals to sign and use a command concatenate. Concatenate is nothing but joining a two texts together. Like here I like to join the name, comma and surname. Bracket complete, hit the enter button. So you can see, guys, two texts has been joined together. If you like to have a gap in between, press F2. Here I can give a space with the double colon, comma and hit the enter button. So here the space between name and surname has given. The same way I can fill up the other cells and it is automatically other agent names and their surname has been connected together. So this is concatenate, guys. This is our Excel beginner series. Please do watch our other series videos also to learn from basic how to work with Excel. Please do watch our other videos where we have given the detailed formula explanation and pivot tables, charts, everything we have explained in detail. Please like and subscribe to our channel, guys, and hit the bell icon button to get our latest video notifications on time. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Take care.